As the admin, how do I manage different users and ensure sensitive data is safe?
Through the User module in Elvis Education ERP, you can manage all users and restrict access based on roles to make sure your data is secure. To begin, click on the Manage Roles button to add various roles such as admission head, candidate, etc. After entering the names of your employees in the Employee module, you can map roles to users to manage access to different modules. To set role privileges, click on the preferred role, select Set Role Privileges, and give access to the necessary modules. For example, if you choose the admission head, you can give access to certain menus. Elvis Education ERP also features a button access privilege, which is a functional level control. For instance, if you select the exam user as the role, the exam module, and the exam result page, you can remove access to the Publish option, as an exam user usually wouldn't have publishing privileges. Additionally, you can change the passwords of student and employee logins from this section, ensuring that your users have secure passwords and that access to sensitive data is restricted to authorized personnel only. With such features, you have complete control over user management and data security.